Heart and souls, I'm overwhelmed by the great unknown. When did everyone become so cold? I'll try and put all of my faith in love to wash away the gloom. I never thought there was a way out. I tried until I found a way to break out and rise up through the storm. Climbing all the way to the sun. I'm saying my goodbyes to the world. Leaving all the things that you love, 'cause I'm lost just to find out who you are. I'd rather be out on my own than sink you deeper into a place I can't escape. Crack the mold, my frustrations growing stale.